Are you tired of feeling like you're constantly struggling financially? Like no matter how hard you work, you just can't seem to get ahead? What if I told you that transforming your financial reality from scarcity to abundance is not only possible, but it starts with just one powerful shift in your mindset? Today, we're talking about how to break free from scarcity thinking and embrace an abundance mindset. This mindset shift is the key to unlocking the financial freedom you've been dreaming about. For many of us, scarcity is deeply ingrained. We grow up hearing things like money doesn't grow on trees, or you have to work hard for every dollar. But here's the truth. Abundance is all around us, and it's available to you right now. To start shifting from scarcity to abundance, begin by identifying your limiting beliefs about money. Visualize a life of abundance. Picture yourself living in financial freedom, where opportunities come to you effortlessly. Start practicing gratitude for the wealth you already have, no matter how small it may seem. If you're ready to make that shift from scarcity to abundance, take the first step today. What abundance are you calling into your life today? Remember, your mindset shapes your reality. Start living in abundance now. And check the bio for more help manifesting abundance.